Hello everyone. Uh, this is an assignment to search this GUTINDEX.ALL file. So this is a very big file which has like 56,900 books and with author names, and this is the eText number. Basically we need to search this file with their eText number or the book name or the author. So this is the Python code for it. This was previously written by me, so I'm not rewriting this again. So over here we use, in the first line we use import re, which is regular expression. So this is to find the pattern in the regular expressions in this file. This is a very helpful line. This is just a one line which finds the pattern between the digits in here. And then we create a book dict open dictionary. So in here, in the next line, we can see that we have wrote this line with open GUTINDEX.ALL and opened it as file, which means the file is the object here. And this is how you basically open a file in Python. And I've used encoding in here so that the file is read better. Since this is not a text file, this is a GUTINDEX.ALL file. And so then we run a loop for a line in file, since we have opened this as an object file. And then we use some more pattern recognizing. Like there are certain spaces in here, white spaces, which is not necessary. Like in this spaces, they're not constant, they're changing. I mean, they're very different from one another. So in here we basically just find those patterns, split them, and split function is basically splits on all white spaces if left unspecified. And then we use another function called strip, which returns a copy of the string where all characters have been stripped from the end of the string and from the beginning. And then we create a results list, empty results list. After that we create a function called search. In the search key, and with an argument search key, in here we just do the search of whatever we need. Like the is digit is to search by the eText, and there are if, elif, and else. There are three parts to this search function, which is basically for the three-part search that we need to do, either by the book name, book author, or the eText number. So in here we see that we use the isDigit function to search for the eText number, and this will print it. And then it's the else-if version of Python to search for the name and also the number as well, which is refining the search a bit. And this will just an else function. We use the upper function, .upper function, to display them in upper cases. And when we'll run the output, we'll see how this works. And then we create a search key, empty variable. And then it's a while loop. And inside the while loop, I've used this search key variable to input the eText title or author name. So, and then I've used if string function. If we write 0000 or only just 0, the loop will break. So let's see by running this function, running this program. As we can see over here, it says that enter eText title or author name to search So let's just write something like 3. You can see I wrote 3 over here, and when I press enter, it shows the result starts in here. It shows this: John F. Kennedy's inaugural address, January 20, 1961. Let's see if this is the correct file, correct book. Let's go all the way down. You can see, yes, this is the correct file, correct book. I'm sorry. Then we have been asked again if we want to search. Let's search with Abraham. Yes. Now we can see we search by the author, and we can see all the books that is written by Abraham or has the name Abraham in it. And we have been prompted for input again. So let's search by a book name now. Let's see the United States Constitution. Let's search for it. Since I did not memorize the name of the books, I think I've mistyped. That's why. Since I've mistyped this, that's why they did not show any result. And it's basically shows that there is no book by this name. Let's copy paste it. It kind of shows it. We don't have it. So if we type 0000 now, we have exited the code. So basically that's it. Thank you everyone for your time.